What's up guys, this is Shan Haider and today we are going to have a quick review of Sony WF-1000XM3 earbuds covering its features, performance, design, audio quality and all of its pros and cons. So let's start it. Inside the retail box you will find a guide for quick pairing, the charging case, the earbuds, a USB Type-C cable and a set of ear tips and slips. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box: the earbuds, the USB Type-C cable, the quick start guide, the charging case and the ear tips. So first of all, let's talk about the design. So as you can see that it looks pretty premium in terms of design. It comes with matte finish and there is a touchpad provided on both left and right units of the earbud. The bronze copper accent on the earbuds also matches with the charging case and gives an overall more symmetric visual experience. The left and right are clearly marked on the earbuds, and on the back of the earbuds you will find the charging points. Both of them come with the microphone for noise reduction, and the weight of each piece of these earbuds is just 8.5 grams. So they are very lightweight and you can use them for a long time without feeling any discomfort. There is an LED provided beneath the surface and it looks beautiful while blinking for sure. So in terms of design, Sony WF-1000XM3 earbuds are beautiful, they look premium, they are lightweight. The only drawback is they are not water resistant. They are not even splash resistant officially. So you will have to be a bit careful while using them in humid situation like when it's raining or when you are near to any kind of water source. The charging case of Sony WF-1000XM3 earbuds is a bit bulky for sure, but it looks premium as well. Just like the earbud, it also comes with matte finish. It comes with NFC, so you can just tap your smartphone to the charging case to pair your smartphone with the earbuds. Just like the earbuds, you will also find left and right indication inside the charging case. It takes nearly 3.5 hours in charging from 0 to 100%, and this charging case is capable of charging these earbuds 3 times. Talking about the battery life, I was able to get nearly 5 hours of continuous music playback with noise cancellation turned on, and that is pretty impressive for sure. And just 10 minutes of charging can provide up to 1.5 hours of music playback. The charging case comes with magnets, so once you put the earbuds inside, they will stick with the case, and while charging the LED will turn red on the earbuds and also on the charging case. Sony provides total 7 pairs of ear slips, but I will personally prefer if there was a pair of memory foam ear tips were provided as well. Talking about the feature, double tapping on the touchpad of the left earbud will switch between the ambient sound mode and the noise cancellation, while double tapping on the touchpad of the right earbud will skip the tracks of the music being played on your smartphone. The touchpad is very responsive and it detects your action perfectly every single time. The noise cancellation on Sony WF-1000XM3 earbuds is very impressive, and it even cancels the loud background noises like the sound of the airplane engine or the noisy environment of a shopping mall very easily and effectively. Once you take out the earbuds outside the case, they will be connected with your smartphone automatically if it was paired earlier. So you can see that on my smartphone it is showing that phone is connected to the earbuds and the OK Google was launched as well. Once connected, it will automatically launch the music application and it will go to the last track that was being played, as you can see here. It also comes with Sony Headphones Connect application that you can use to customize your listening experience on Sony WF-1000XM3 earbuds. Once the earbuds are registered with your Headphones Connect application, then you will be able to perform lots of options and use settings, for example adaptive sound control that detects your environment, and based on that it switches between noise cancellation and ambient sound mode. You can even turn on and set up the 360 reality audio using the Headphones Connect application. The WF-1000XM3 earbuds supports Google Assistant as well as Amazon Alexa. In the app itself, you will find lots of options. You will get the battery status of the both left and right earbuds individually. You can do lots of changes in the adaptive sound control system based on your preference and how you would like it to switch between the ambient sound mode and noise cancellation. And this is really effective, and it's one of my favorite features of these earbuds for sure. You can either use any of the existing profile or you can make changes and do the customization as well. Sony WF-1000XM3 comes with ambient light sensor. So once you take off any of these earbuds from your ear, then the music will automatically stop, and once you put them back, then it will start playing again. Another interesting and related feature of this sensor is that if you are listening music and if you want to talk to someone, then you just need to press your finger on the touchpad of the left earbud and the volume will decrease by itself, or you can just cover it with your hand and the audio will reduce in that case as well. You will also find the option to turn on or off the option to pause and play the music when you take off the headphones. And of course, you can update the software of your Sony WF-1000XM3 earphone using the Headphones Connect application. Now talking about the audio quality, these earbuds are just amazing because of the nice passive noise cancellation and also the active noise cancellation. You will get an immersive audio experience. The amount of bass is perfect, and also the mids and the highs you will be able to enjoy perfectly while listening music on Sony WF-1000XM3 earbuds. And the same goes with the voice calls as well. The dual microphones on these earbuds cancel the noise perfectly, and you will be able to make nice quality audio calls even from a crowded place. So overall, Sony WF-1000XM3 is one of the best earbuds currently available in the market, thanks to its amazing noise cancellation, great audio quality, good battery life, and the beautiful design. The only drawback is that there is no water resistance provided. Rest everything about these earbuds is nice and impressive, and if you are looking for a nice earphone with good build quality, beautiful design, great active noise cancellation, then Sony WF-1000XM3 is one of the best options available for you in the market. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.